Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial of Adama Robotics. In this video we're going to learn about the RGB lights on our Bell robot, how you can program them separately or together. Okay, so RGB light is a combination of red, green and blue light together. Okay, so in the same light that we have on our robot, that means two LEDs, RGB LEDs on the front, both of them consist of these three lights together. Okay, so you can program each of these lights together or separately to get the individual light or a combination of theirs. Okay, so without further ado, let's open up our IDE quickly. So here is our IDE. The first thing you already know, that means you have to come to the Arduino mode and then you have to connect the COM port and then select the board. Okay, now these blocks, let me just get rid of it. Go to the robot section and then drag in a Adama Robotics program and then Adama script program, and then come to control and get a forever block. Now first we will show you how you can connect the how you can light up the LEDs. Okay, before we start, just don't press set all these LED block, and instead of all, just write down 1 and make it 255 being the highest red color, highest green color, highest blue color. That means it's just gonna get power, electricity. Okay, now take in a control block, wait 1 second, and then we will duplicate the same thing and bring it after this, and instead of 255 we're gonna make it 0. Okay, now whenever we make it 0 and we upload the program, what you will see is so let's just give it a second before it uploads the program. Okay, and now it says upload is finished. Okay, so whenever the upload is finished, you will see in the front the only one LED. Okay, so let me just quickly take a video of it. So you see on the program what happened is we chose LED 1 only to make it 255, 255, 255. That's why only the left side LED is working on the right one. Okay, so we have to choose both the LEDs, or you can just choose all. Okay, since it's RGB. So let's try that one as well. So rather than putting this that way, let's upload the program again and check what exactly happens. Make sure to keep your bell connected and turned on, so you don't have to open it to test this program. Okay, so you know, for the moving programs you can open the Bell robot out of the connection, but for this one you don't need to do that. Now it says the upload is finished, and I'm gonna take a clip of the Bell robot, and you can see the Bell robot is now blinking. Okay, so that's what we said in the program. So run all of the lights together for 1 second and then turn it all of them for 1 second. Okay, so let me just edit the program again. So this time I'm gonna make all the lights turned off except for the red one, 255 being the highest value. Okay, so let's upload that one as well, and let's wait for a few seconds. So here guys, the program is being uploaded. Okay, so as soon as the program is being uploaded, you can see it's only blinking the red light, right? So we're gonna extend the program now quickly, just to show you that we can make it blink all of the lights. Okay, so we will take in this block, this 4 blocks, and we will duplicate it and put it here, and we will duplicate it and make another section. Okay, so what we can say is rather than making this red 255, this time we're gonna make red 0, and we're gonna make the green 255. Here we're gonna make the blue 255. Okay, so what we're doing is turn the red on for 1 second and off for 1 second, then turn the green on for 1 second and then off, blue on for another second. Okay, so let's upload this program and see how our Bell robot will react to this program. Okay, so let's give it a second and it should be turned on within no time. So guys, here is our Bell robot with the program that we just uploaded. Okay, so we have the red light on first, and then we have the green one. I think we've made a mistake in here because there is something we didn't shut down. Okay, so red, we have the green, and the end is blue. Okay, so instead of blue it's coming this one. Okay, Alright, so this is how the program is going to work. The RGB, you can make different combinations. You can even add in the buzzer with this thing to make it, you know, really, really cool, our robot. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you're going to have a great day.